does not want a flat stomach. Hello, good evening. My name is Shantini. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 exercises by which you can tune your abs at your home, and guess what? You need no equipment at all. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with it. So let's start with the circuit. Number 1 is abs crunch. You can rest your feet on the floor. This exercise is very good for your upper abdomen. You can give support of your hand to get up. You can keep your feet at tabletop position. We will repeat this for 40 seconds and then we will take a 20-second break and then we will repeat twice more. Number 2 is frog sit-up. We are getting up and we are touching the floor with our hand. This will be done for 40 seconds and then we will take a break of 20 seconds and then we will repeat for 2 more times. This one is also helpful for upper abdomen tightening. Now let's focus on lower abdomen. Number 3 is leg raise. As we have kept our hands at the side of our hip, it is giving a good lift to our legs. We will repeat it for 40 seconds and then we will take 20 seconds break. Guys, let's see it from front. The set will be repeated for 3 times. I'm really sorry for the sound of the fan, guys. I couldn't film the video in this hot and humid weather without turning my fan on. Really sorry. Number 4 is called Caesar. We are moving both of our legs like a Caesar. This thing will be repeated for 40 seconds and then after a break of 20 seconds we are going to repeat it for 2 more times. Here is the side view. This one is also very good for our lower abdomen tightening. Also it strengthens our legs too. Number 5 is floater kicks. This item helps in core tightening. We can do this by keeping our heads up and giving a support of our hand behind our head. The circuit will be repeated for 40 seconds. Then we will take a 20-second break and we will do it twice more. Let's see it from front. Another lower abs exercise is reverse crunch. We are taking our both legs up. The same can be done by tapping at floor. We can tap the floor with alternate leg. Here is the side view. Crunching back and tapping the floor with both the legs, or you can tap with alternate leg. If there is something behind you, you can take the support of that, like some grill or any tool, heavy furniture with your hand. Then I think the crunch will be easier for you if you are not habituated. So done with number 6. Now let's come to number 7. It's leg raise, but one leg will be fixed at the up and one leg will be moving or swinging. Item will be repeated for both the legs. We will continue for 40 seconds, or you can continue for 30 seconds for one leg, then take a break 10 to 15 minutes and then continue for other sets. Repeat 3 sets for each leg. Here we are ready with number 8. It's mountain climbing with plank position. Our hands are at plank position and we are doing a mountain climb. Guys, it's much tougher than the normal mountain climb because the entire pressure will be on our legs and our abs, or you can say core. We will repeat this for 40 seconds and we will take a rest of 20 seconds. Ignore my Annabelle like hair here. We will do this item for 3 sets. Second last, number 9 is plank jack. We are holding a plank position with our hand and we are doing a jack with our legs. This one needs a very good leg strength, guys, and it works really well for our abs. Last but not the least is bicycle crunch. We can rest our hand at the side of our body, or we can keep our hand behind our head to give it a support. The set will be repeated for 40 seconds with 20-second gap, and it will be done 3 times. So that's all about today's circuit. These are the easier abs exercise you can do at home. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can add these exercises along with your daily yoga sessions or your weight trainings. You can repeat this 3 or 4 times a week, and if you maintain a healthy diet and cut those excess sugar and grains from your diet, I hope you will soon get the flat and toned abs like you desire. Watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, share and click the bell icon for future notifications.